You may have heard that Acctivate Inventory Software for Quickbooks is packed with a ton of useful features helping you grow your business. But what makes it best in class? For starters, Acctivate brings clarity across the entire business by keeping an active pulse on everything related to inventory and order fulfillment. Ron of Summertime Potato states, "We can see minute by minute of exactly where we're at inventory-wise, as well as reports on the outstanding POs and sales orders we have. A best-in-class solution must also be flexible and fit within the requirements of your unique business." Gregory with European Wine Resources mentions, "The greatest thing about Acctivate is how customizable it is. The platform was not built just for wine, and yet we've been able to adapt it to our needs. While some systems struggle keeping up with growth, Acctivate grows with you." Gene, a metal manufacturer, shares, "When buying software, you want to know, will it last or be obsolete in 2 or 3 years? But I've been very pleased with Acctivate since 2005, and it's still doing everything we need it to do." Michael, with the Rainbow Book Company, adds, "Quickbooks just wouldn't function anymore because we couldn't add any additional items. Acctivate was clearly the best option. As we have grown, Acctivate has grown with us." For an inventory solution to be truly best in class, it must be easy to use and reduce errors. The service manager at DeLorean Motor Company tells us, "Acctivate has been really easy to work with. We're doing all we can to keep DeLoreans on the road, and being able to use a system such as Acctivate certainly helps." Sonny, a warehouse manager at BB Incorporated, tells us, "Acctivate is almost foolproof. Managing inventory previously was pretty manual. With Access and Excel, there was a lot of room for human error. Acctivate eliminates a lot of that human error." Acctivate is also considered the best value in its class. While more complicated systems can run 6 figures, Acctivate was designed to boost small businesses needing a more affordable solution to work alongside QuickBooks. Stephen, owner of the China Auto Group, states, "We looked at a lot of packages, and in terms of value for money, Acctivate gave us a lot more capabilities for the amount of money. It gave us suite services that most packaged software solutions were asking 5 to 50 times more money." To learn more about how Acctivate can help improve your business, visit Acctivate.com. Acctivate. Powerful, easy to use, affordable.